Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. Now, to those of you that are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So do well by going to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Now, let's take a look at what we will be expecting on AUD USD for the next day. So let's see this trend. We clearly can start. We can see that this is an uptrend move. We are having a series of higher highs and then higher lows. So this is an higher highs here. Here comes the higher lows. This is also another higher highs, and here is the higher lows, right? This is the higher highs, and currently market is trying to give us an higher low. So we should be expecting a little bit of a drop before a new higher highs will be playing out. Now, another reason why there's a possibility of a drop is that there is multiple rejection at this level until or if only market break out of this resistance level. As you can see on the 1 hour time frame, we are ranging within this level. We clearly can see that market is ranging. Now, we should only expect that movement to the upside if only markets break out of this resistance level. If only it breaks out. So once it breaks out of the resistance level, expect a pullback to test the resistance level, and let's continue with the movement to the upside. That is only if market break out of this resistance level, expect market to give us a pullback to test the resistance level, and we should continue the movement to the upside. So your AUD USD will continue the movement to the upside. So we are still expecting a bullish move on AUD USD for the next day. But first of all, let's see if only it breaks out of this resistance level.